Thank you, Lapa, for the lovely introduction, and it's a pleasure speaking in front of all of you today. And the speech topic is life quotes. And all of us here are connected by one common ground, that is all of us are living a life. And life, we have a lot of experiences. Some are good, some are bad. And if it's bad or good, you still learn from it. And these are life lessons that a person has. And our ancestors and our even scholars have written these life lessons in 2 or 3 phrases, and which we call quotes. And these quotes are really inspiring at times and guides us in many ways. And nowadays you see a lot of people share these quotes in Facebook, Twitter, and they get a lot of likes because everybody can relate to these quotes. And in the audience today, I'm sure a lot of you update your status on Facebook with these quotes. Can I see who does that?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, there's almost, yes. So it's almost like everybody does that. And would you like to share one of your quotes that you shared recently?
I have a lot of friends on Facebook, and I'm not ashamed to say that I'm a Facebook addict. So this is a quote posted by one of my friends. He posted, "An unexamined life is not worth living." It's by Socrates, and I'm really inspired by that. I feel like I should do something, otherwise I'm living a worthless life. So, that's a quote really interesting about life.
Yes, thank you so much, Tashi, for sharing that quote with us today. So, like he shared, I have 4 really quotes that I'm going to share with you that are really close to me. And the first one goes like this, and it's by Confucius, and it's a Chinese proverb. It says, "Give a man a fish, and he feeds himself for 1 day. Give him 2 fish, he feeds himself for 2 days. And teach him how to fish, and he feeds him for a lifetime." So this is very close to me because really my whole future plans are really based on this quote. And today I would like to share with you that in the future my goals are to work for an economic development of developing countries like Nepal, where I'm from, and it's a developing country. And there people are living in abject poverty. And we have a lot of international organizations that go there and help in a sense. They give a lot of finance or money, to say in direct terms, and these money really feed them, I would say, for a month, and some are even gone corrupt in between. So these money is just like that fish that feeds only for 1 day. And I believe that if you go into the economic system and put mechanisms that help them to live their life better by working, by doing something productive, then that will really help them for a lifetime, and they don't have to depend on somebody to give them a fish or, let's say, give money. And that's why this quote is really close to me, and I believe that makes a lot of sense to me, and at least to a lot of people. So in life, whenever you want to help somebody or want to do something good for somebody, I think you should at first teach them how to do that, or how to get a particular skill, rather than just giving them money or just giving them food or clothes. You have to teach them how to keep yourself warm, or how to feed yourself, or how to cook a dish. So yeah, that's the first proverb. And the second proverb that goes is, "Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant." And I believe there are a lot of great personalities that really follow this. And some of the great ones that I remember is Mother Teresa, let's say her, because she in her life has never have the luxuries of the best things in life, like good jewelries or maybe like high lifestyles, but she lived a simple life, but she harvested seed in a lot of people's world, or let's say life. So this goes by saying, each day don't, I believe all of us here are students, and you are all students, and you know that right now each of you don't really, when you go to school, you don't really get harvest, or let's say money or anything in particular. But in future you are planting a seed for future. So you're going to school today, working hard a lot, working really hard, and that will all show its benefits in the future. So each day don't be sad, or don't be frustrated with life because you don't get the instant gratification now, but wait for the future that's bright and waiting for you. So the third one goes, "Don't judge tomorrow's book by today's cover." So I think this is very much close to teenagers, and even for people like for adults like us. We make this mistake of judging people by how they look, by what they wear, just by the cover. But you don't really know what they're inside or the qualities that they have. So you usually judge them just by the cover. So you never know a person who looks really bad, or who's dark skinned right now and looks like they're in a miserable state, and you kind of ignore them and you think they're not important people. But you don't know their tomorrow. Their tomorrow can be brighter than yours. Their tomorrow can be something that will help you, in future immeasurably. Or even if they can't help you, you can't be treating them, just by how their cover is. So don't judge, never judge tomorrow's book or even today's book by its cover. And finally, the last one that I have quote is really about yourself. It's try to be like the turtle, at ease in your own shell. This I can apply to myself too. Sometimes I'm not very confident about myself. Sometimes I feel I wish I was something different. I was a boy, or maybe I was a little skinnier or anything. I'm sometimes like everybody. I'm not confident in my own shell, or let's say I'm not confident in my own self. So then you should remember that you have to really be like the turtle who carries his whole house behind his back and still looks really calm and goes on his own pace, and he never gives up. So similarly in life, everybody really needs to be like the turtle, calm and happy with self, and that way they can help others. And even like in the audience, I see a lot of you here. Can anybody share like something that they're not happy with, or even let's say you wish that you had more?
I had that one.
Yes, please.
Actually, I wanted to do something, but because of many problems, I couldn't do it. So I feel like I could get that opportunity, but I didn't get that. So I feel like I got a lot behind that, but I just make sure that I will do it in the future. So I just make it happen. Thanks.
Thank you for sharing that, Shimi. And it makes a lot of sense. People, sometimes really life doesn't give you what you want and you regret it. But the magic of all this is you have to be confident in yourself, and then you have to learn to face these obstacles and still become and you have to learn to be calm, and then you have to learn to fight these obstacles. And really life is all about learning. Like I said, these quotes are all about learning. So with this, I would like to thank you all for being such a good audience, and always take life as a positive. It has a lot of negatives sometimes, but you have to always learn to face these challenges. So you have to learn to face these challenges like Chimi, and these quotes really help us in everyday life. So use it, and so be optimistic in life, and all of you can, if you want to do something for others, first learn to help yourself. Thank you. You guys.